Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make an order in the Glovo application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just search up something in the search bar up there, or you can just press on one of these categories like food for example, and you can just find the available foods for order, and you can just pick one that you want to order. And after that you can just select what you want to order. As you can see, this store is closed right now. That's because I'm making this video in a very late time, but of course if you are ordering during day or maybe at night when it's not too late, you can order. So you can just select your order and you can just press on add one for and the price basically that you can see there, and after that you will be able to order it. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.